What's up, boys? Welcome back to another episode of the KameGarage. Welcome back to a new video. Today we have something different. We are working on our Kawasaki Vulcan S 650. New upgrades to do to it, so let's get right to it. We are going to replace the headlight on our motorcycle with this new slick LED headlight. We got this from Amazon for around 90 to 100 bucks. Should make a big difference. We have everything that comes on the package right out. We have the headlight, we have the brackets to adjust to each side, and we have all the connectors ready to set up our new headlight. We're gonna start by removing the front shield here, guys. You need a 5mm right here. To grab it right here, it should be 4 bolts right here, and make sure you have a wrench with a 10mm right on the back so you can hold it while you loosen it up. Once you remove those two underneath, you have to pull this out and push it up so it goes out of place from these two metal studs right here. Next, you just have to remove the connectors from the back of the headlight. There's the main connector right here in the center. You just pull it out, and there's also this connector right here that you just have to press on the tab and pull it out. It should be only 2 connectors. Now in our case, since I did have the cafe style Vulcan S, I do have to remove these brackets from the forks. And again, it should be just a couple of hex. It should be the same thing, 5mm hex to remove these two. And remember, it has a nut in the back, so you have to hold that in place while you're trying to loosen them up. And there should be 8 of them. There's 2 in the top, 2 in the bottom, and you have to do it for both sides. Actually, you don't need to hold anything in the back, it's just a screw. Now we're gonna go ahead and assemble the brackets first. We're gonna go ahead and install these on the forks, but it does come with this cushion that you can put on the bracket. So we're gonna install this right here. Pretty much put this one on. What you have to do is remove the double-sided tape right here, put it on the last notch on the bracket, hook it around the fork. Then you do wanna get some pliers and pretty much squish this as close as you can together. Put in the hardware. So you're gonna go ahead and put in the bolt, the nut, and the washer in the back. As you hold this, and then once you let it go, you're gonna use a 4mm hex for the bolt and a 10mm socket in the back as you tighten it up so it can stay on place and you can pretty much get it together. Alright, boys, now that we have the bracket in place, we can go ahead and install the headlight. All we gotta do is remove these 14mm on the side and hook them up right here. Alright guys, we went ahead and moved the brackets all the way to the bottom part of the fork. This is the only place our headlight will actually fit the Vulcan S. So just make sure you put the forks initially on the bottom part. Now we just have to go ahead and put the headlight in place. We're gonna grab those 14mm and tighten up the headlight. Alright, now that we have it in place, we gotta go ahead and connect everything. So this black connector right here goes to this green connector right here. So as you guys can see, the headlight works. The only thing that's not working is the daytime running lights on the side, and that's because we have to connect that other cable right here. To make the daytime running lights work, you gotta connect this red wire to the white wire right here, because it comes with a yellow, a red, and a white one. You wanna connect it to the white, and then you wanna go ahead and connect it to the connector right there, the OEM connector that came connected to our headlight. It has 2 sides. You wanna connect it to the red cable side right there. After connecting everything, we have the daytime running lights working. Went ahead and tucked everything inside the headlight, the connector and everything. We'll put it back in place and we're good. Make sure you guys stay tuned so you don't miss out on the next episode of the KameGarage. Peace.